Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to read a story about being thankful. Being thankful is what Thanksgiving is all about thinking about the things you're lucky to have in your life, the people you're glad that you have in your life. So we're going to read this story about Bear and his friends saying thanks. And then we're going to do some work. We're going to think of some things that we are thankful for. But first we're going to read Bear Says Thanks. Oh, it's not too far. All alone in his cave, Bear listens to the wind. He is bored, and he misses his friends. I can make a big dinner, a feast I could share. But he looks through his cupboard, and the cupboard is bare. Then Mouse stops by with a huckleberry pie, and the bear says thanks. Bear says, "Goodness me, a delectable pie, but I have made nothing," he adds with a sigh. Then they hear, "Hi-ho!" and they both see Hare, with a big batch of muffins at the door of the lair. Hare hurries in from the cold rushing wind, and the bear says thanks. "Of course," says Hare. Then he points to the door. "Here comes Badger. He's got even more." "Brrr," says Badger as he tromps inside. He sets down his pole and he smiles real wide. "I'm back from a stroll at the old fishing hole." And the bear says thanks. Then Gopher and Mole tunnel up from the ground. "We have warm honey nuts. Let's pass them around." There's a flap and a flitter and a flurry in the den, when in flutters Owl with Raven and Wren. "We have pears from the tree and herbs to brew tea." And the bear says, "Wait!" Bear mutters and he stutters and he wears a big frown. Bear sighs and he moans and he plops himself down. "You have brought yummy treats, you are so nice to share, but me, I have nothing, my cupboards are bare." Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, there's enough, dear bear. You don't need any food, you have stories to share." His friends hug him tight. "It will be all right." And the bear says thanks. They lay out their feast on a quilt on the ground, and the bear takes a seat, while his friends gather round. In a cave in the woods, in a warm, bright lair, the friends feel grateful for their good friend Bear. They pass around platters, they tweet and they chatter, and they all say thanks. All right, so Bear and his friends were thankful for each other. We're going to think about some things we're thankful for. I want you to get out your paper that looks like this, and it says, "I am thankful." The first direction says to color all the things you are thankful for. So they've got some different ideas. So if any of these are things you're thankful for, you're going to color the picture. Are you thankful for food, for your teacher, for butterflies, love, sunshine, your house, your family, your friends, books, flowers, your pets, hugs, the earth, and rainbows? So you're going to color any of those things you are thankful for, and then you're going to think of one more thing you're thankful for. So you're going to write down here, "I am also thankful for," and you're going to write something else you're thankful for. It could be just one more thing. There could be several other things you think of that you are thankful for, that you are glad you have in your life, that you want to add to a list down here. So first, color all the things, all the pictures that are also things you're thankful for, and then write at least one other thing you're thankful for, or you can write more than one thing if you have some other things you want to add. All right? Good luck.